Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to see you subscribe, and it really encourages me to keep doing my work as a blogger. Thanks a lot. I won't talk too much here because I just want to review the Bingx uh, platform. So what is this Bingx? This Bingx is just a crypto uh, trading platform. It's just a crypto trading platform that you can trade any crypto of your choice. But they don't have all the cryptos in the world, but at least they have the most popular ones. If we step down and click on trade, we'll just go straight to the market. And in this market, you can see lively what is happening in the market. BTC to USDT exchange. You can see that one Bitcoin is 25 USD, 25,000, over 25,000 US dollars. Yes, USD dollar, because one USDT equals $1. They just balance it well. So in this here you can find like something like spot, which means that you buy or sell something now, or something like all this derivatives. Derivative just mean you buy or promise something that you promise to sell or buy, or something that you are planning to buy, something like that. And if I want to talk a lot about this, the video will be too long, but I just want to focus on reviewing everything. This Bing X allows you to trade crypto even as a beginner, because they have a copy trading feature that I talked about in my previous video, and it is a very cool thing because you are someone, you don't need any experience to copy trade from the expert, and you just have your investment and your money works for you, which is wonderful. So let's scroll down, a little bit, and see. Here is Bitcoins, and let me just go to top gainers. You can see, you can just see some cryptos that are moving higher. This is the top gainers. You can see cryptos that are moving higher, and when you click on trade, you can go and buy them, and that's what it means. Trading means buying and selling, and that's all. So forex, you can see what is happening in the forex market. You can see what is happening in the stock market as well. Here it is just a very simple thing that can help you to capture trading opportunity, as they have written. According to my own experience, for me, first of all, I can say that this is not a scam. This is not a scam website, because the website is international, original. As you can see, they have a team, they have a blog, they have a community. Down you can see ADV Cash, many company partner with them, Chainlink, and so on and so forth, which means it is legit and it is trustworthy. Yes, it is a trustworthy company. Now I would like to see the number of cryptos that we can trade on the platform, and I want to see by that I just go to asset and I click on my asset, so that I can see the number of cryptos that we can trade on the platform. But depositing a crypto, a crypto doesn't mean that you can trade them, because maybe not all cryptos might be allowed to trade in your location, something like that. So here is my assets. I have 7.44. I invested, as I said in the last video. I wouldn't like to talk about that here anymore. So here is my account, and I want to check the the number of cryptos available in Bingx. Currency, you can see USDT. There are many cryptos available. Many cryptos. You can see there are many cryptos that you can trade here. My computer is slow. There are many cryptos that you can trade here, and I think the site is loading more. So there are, I think, at least 700 cryptos, at least more than it. So those are the cryptos that you can trade on the platform, and you can make as asset. But their most preferred crypto is the USDT, not USD coin, but it's a Theta USDT. So that's it. And I go back to my asset. They have a fund account. They have fund account. This fund account is stable, and that's where you can keep your money securely. This future account is where you copy trade. Is the account you can use to copy trade. So this future account, you can see that it is holding the copy. You can't withdraw at any time from the future account. You can't withdraw at any time because the money is used for a business. I think so, because sometimes they don't allow us to withdraw. As you can see, I can't withdraw anything. 0.00 USD, because it is not available for me to withdraw that 4.04 at the same time. Maybe it is used for a business. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Investment. And also, one thing I like about this Bingx compared to Fimex and other trading platform is that Bingx has a minimum withdrawal of at least, I think, 3 USDT, or I don't know, but I know it is very low. At least 3 USDT, or we can even send 2 USDT. Choose Throne tutorial. Well, yeah, this is it. The minimum withdrawal is 8 USDT. Okay, 8 USDT. But in Fimex, you will have to you need to have like 25 USDT to make a withdrawal in Fimex and others. But this one depends on the network also, because when we use Polygon, we can see that the minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. So you can just look for a trading network that can allow you to withdraw something like, you see, the minimum withdrawal here is 1.1 USDT with the Optimism network. So you just look for a network that can allow you to trade and send minimum withdrawal of 1.1. So the minimum withdrawal depends on the network, the network, how do they call it? Yes, the network, the crypto network, the network which the crypto will pass through. So guys, I will send you my referral link in the description, and I'm not forcing you to click on it. So you can, if you like, you do it. If you don't like, there's no problem. I will link to my referral link in the description. Thanks if you sign up. And so when you click on the more, we can see that they have a lot, like affiliate program. They have invite and like reward hub and so on. The reward hub, they have many things that my battery is low. The reward hub, they have a lot of things, that you can do there to earn money. So that's it. So click check and win. This is check it now. You see, I just won 2 USDT bonus. So that's how it works. Yeah, they have, this is a reward hub. You can earn some little coins here. And I don't want the video to be too long. The copy trading, I already talked about the copy trading. It's very easy here, and you don't need to have any experience. Just watch my previous video about the copy trading and you know what it's all about. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Goodbye.